Welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today I am sharing with you a Christmas takedown and clean with me. So if that seems like something that you're interested in watching, please continue to watch. And if you are new to my channel, I love to welcome you, as well as I appreciate your support and you clicking on. But if you can do me a favor by consider subscribing as well as clicking that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time that I upload. And while you're doing all of that, why not thumbs up the video and share the video to family members that may be interested in the things that I do here in my home. And one more thing before I go, I like to say thank you to all my new subscribers as well as my current family members. I love and appreciate your support. So with that being said, if you all want to see me take down my tree as well as some decor in my entryway, my bathroom, my bar cart, and up on my staircase, please keep on watching. All right, let's get into this video. Okay, before I take everything down, I wanted to share with you quickly, my daughter had decorated the staircase, and this is where we placed the village. On the staircase. So, let's do it. Hey guys, I'm coming in for a moment just to apologize for my lighting. In this clip and the next clip the lighting is gonna be about the same. I do not have good lighting in this area and the sun has gone down. So pardon the lighting. And I just also wanted to ask you guys, how often do you clean your baseboards and your walls? Even though I just basically did that before I decorated, and I had a late start on decorating this year due to just wasn't in the mood, wasn't really feeling it. So get down in the comments and let me know, how often do you wash your walls as well as your baseboards. And again, I apologize for my lighting. It has really gotten a little dark, but we are still getting it done. All right, let's get back into the video. Also, guys, I want to know if you are enjoying the cleaning thus far, and if the speed is too fast or just right. I didn't want to make my video long, so that's why I have it going so fast. But if you guys need me to slow it down and don't mind a longer video, please also get down in the comments and let me know that as well. All right, back to the video. Hey everyone, welcome back. This is day 2 of Christmas Takedown. It got a little late last night and we finished off with the entryway. Now we are in my bathroom. I will be doing the bathroom. It's just a few items that I need to take down, but I will do a clean in here after I take down my items, because some of the items do have glitter on them. So I will be doing the bathroom as well as living room, and that will wrap up the Christmas takedown and the cleaning. And then I think I'm going to do a part 2 so that this video don't be long, to reset in the part 2 of this video. So I'm not going to hold you long. Let's get into this video. Okay guys, before I dismantle everything, I'm going to show you how my bathroom was decorated. And mind you, my bathroom is small. My door is closed and I'm in the my back is against my bathroom door. So we're going to show you a gray curtains. Then we come over here, and those are my large ornaments. Then we have my little display and my day in the final space, and we are in the living room. I'm gonna show you real quick how the living room is looking, how my tree is looking. I did very minimum decorating on my tree this year because I wanted more of a natural look. But no more talk. Let's get into it. All right, we are going to just pan around quickly. I used blue. I had changed out my rug. Just a little decor I had on the table, on my tree. As I said, very minimum decoration on my tree. And then I decorated over there. Don't mind my wires. I had some issues with my speaker. It is a hot mess. So I am going to end this video right here because, as I said, I don't want to make it too long. Packing this away, and then the next video that you will see from me will be the decorating. We will go in the same areas that we took down Christmas and we winter look. So with that being said, I love you guys. Hope you all are having a blessed and prosperous year thus far. Be blessed and be a blessing to someone else, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.